In this video, we will take a closer look at imperative sentences. With the help of some common examples, we will learn how to use them in our own sentences. Imperative sentences tell others what to do or ask for something. Imperative sentences tell someone what to do or how to do something. They are used to express orders, instructions, or advice. Imperative sentences often start with a verb and end with a period or exclamation mark. Let's take a look at some examples of imperative sentences giving orders. If you find your friends making noise, you might ask them to keep quiet. Notice how this sentence ends with an exclamation mark. This is because you order your friends to stay quiet and stop making noise. Here are some more examples where we give commands. Finish your homework. Tidy up your room. Turn off your mobile phone. Stop feeding the ducks at the pond. Thanks for taking the time to watch this introduction to imperative sentences in the English language. If you liked the video, please take a look at other videos in our English grammar playlist.